Hello, my name is Bill Rapp. I'm a doctor's mortgage specialist based in Houston, Texas. I'm licensed in 13 states, and I help people purchase homes on our specialized doctor's loan product. I'll explain the basics on this flexible loan product in this video. Also, I will give you my 5-step process to stop paying rent and instead own a home of your own. I'm sure you know this fact, but the average doctor spends an average of 14 years in school and residency to be able to practice medicine. That amount of schooling often leads to large student loan balances and limited savings when your time comes to buy a home. These are two of the main reasons why this product is great for doctors. The third being the flexibility to use the projected income from an offer letter if you are being relocated to a new area with your new job. Number 1, as little as a 3% down payment. Number 2, deferred student loans can be excluded if deferred over 12 months. Number 3, offer letter income can be used provided start date is 60 days or less from closing. Number 4, $850,000 maximum loan amount. There are two main conventional loan products available, and those are called conforming and non-conforming. Conforming loans are typically those that are backed by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. Depending on the area, the max loan amount is typically $424,100. The doctor's loan product is a non-conforming product that is held in a bank's private loan portfolio. This loan product is only available as a 5 or a 7-year ARM. These loans are amortized on 30-year loan schedules, so the payments are often lower than the traditional 30-year fixed conforming loan. Doctors typically earn a higher wage than most and in turn can afford a more expensive home and mortgage. The second benefit of this loan product is that the loan limits are set much higher at a maximum of $850,000. 3% down payment with a maximum loan of $650,000, or 10% down payment with a maximum loan of $850,000. As an added bonus, I have taken the time to put together a VIP homebuyer toolkit, which includes several discounted offers that will help save you money during the home buying process. These bonus deals include offers or rebates on a credit repair service, a rebate offer from one of my preferred real estate brokerages, a discount on home inspections, discounted home warranties, home insurance discounts, and most importantly, for a moving company to get you into your new home. Step number 1, pull out your credit score. This step is crucial for many reasons, but before we go over the specifics, let's take a look at what's a bad credit score and what's a great one. Scores that are considered poor are anything below 619. Scores that are considered fair are between 620 and 639. Scores that are considered good are between 640 and 739. Scores that are considered great are over 740. Now, the reason why you want to consult your credit score first is because you want to know where your credit score is. That way, you can put some strategies in place with people like me or a credit agency to increase your score, especially if your score is under 640. Act now and request your VIP Homebuyer Toolkit for a discounted offer on credit repair from a veteran-owned business. Step number 2, getting as much money as possible for your down payment. Homes are more expensive than ever, and the lenders now allow you to put down as little as 3% for a traditional mortgage. Now, with that in mind, having more money put aside for down payment can help you in lowering your monthly mortgage payment. This is why I came out with 3 simple strategies that you can use to have more money in your pocket. Number 1, save your tax return every year. Number 2, do a spring cleaning in your home and sell things you no longer need in a garage sale or on eBay. Number 3, find a second job until you save enough for the down payment. Step number 3, picking the right lenders. This is another really important step that could instantly save you thousands of dollars. Nowadays, you have 3 main options for getting a mortgage broker, a mega bank, or a mortgage banker. Now, you're probably asking yourself, what's the difference between all of them? Well, the answer is fairly simple. The era of here today, gone tomorrow mortgage brokers that contributed to the mortgage meltdown of 2008 is over. Mortgage brokers are in it for themselves and may try to steer you into a loan product that's more profitable to them and not in your best interest as their clients. I personally would want someone to represent me that puts my interests first. Wouldn't you? Megabanks, i.e. Wells, Chase, etc., are everywhere and they're convenient. but your loan application will take 60 to 90 days to close with a large institution. Typically, they have an overwhelming number of clients at any given time, and what happens is they end up cherry-picking only the best loan files for only the best applicants. The best solution is a friendly, down-to-earth mortgage banker that will take a hands-on approach to give you the unique attention you deserve. This will give you access to multiple lenders and best pricing, the quickest closings, and can fit your unique situation. Rates are at historic lows. Act now before they shoot back up again. Step number 4, saving the deal and saving money by being pre-approved. A lot of people make the mistake of not being pre-approved by their mortgage specialist before they start shopping. This could become a costly mistake if not taken seriously. Let me give you an example. You start shopping for your first home and find an incredible deal that fits your needs. On top of that, the seller wants to sell quickly, so the price of the house is a little bit under the actual market value. You get all excited and decide to make an offer, but you then realize you aren't the only one who loved the deal and there is a second offer on the table. Even though you offered to pay a little bit more for the house, the seller ends up taking the second offer for the following reason. Since he was looking to sell it as soon as possible, and even though the second offer was a little bit under yours, he took it because the buyer had proof they could borrow the exact amount that they offered, and that they could close the deal in 3 weeks. That heartache is totally preventable if you take the time to get pre-approved. Act now and take the first step today by clicking the link below, and I will reach out in the next 24 to 48 hours. Step number 5, make a real estate agent work for you for free. Most of us think of a real estate agent as representing the seller, which they usually are. This means the commission for the buyer's agent has already been pre-negotiated into the price. Having your own representation is always a good idea, and most importantly, it won't cost you a penny. Act now to download our VIP Homebuyer Toolkit to get a promotional offer for one of our preferred real estate companies. A good buyer's agent can help you find the right home quickly because they know the area and have access to listings, open houses, and other pertinent information. Your buyer's agent can advise you on market conditions and appropriate prices, pre-inspect homes so you don't waste time on something completely unsuitable, as well as recommend professionals you may need from home inspectors to real estate attorneys. The seller's agent has a legal responsibility to act in their best interest, not yours. You need a trained professional in your corner, and that's a buyer's agent. Choose your agent with as much care as if you were selling your home, and if they want you to enter into a formal contract, make sure it includes a cancellation clause. I would suggest looking for a realtor with an ABR designation, as they are accredited buyer's representatives who specialize in buyers. Number 1, give you a strategy to boost your credit score. This way you can have access to your better rates and better products when it comes time to finance your dream home. Number 2, learn more about your wants and needs in regards to buying your first home. We can build you a solid plan of action based on your unique situation so you can, without a doubt, become a homeowner. And number 3, figure out if you're, after giving you your free analysis session, if we are both a great fit to work together. If you think we aren't, no hard feelings or obligations. What I encourage you to do right now is to click the button below this video, enter your information, and I'll be in contact with you shortly to help out. You'll either like our team and will understand what we can provide for you, and we will therefore decide to work together. Or if you feel like I can't help you, I'll gladly refer you to the right person. Either way, you will receive an insanely valuable financial analysis session and will walk away with a plan and newfound clarity as to where you are right now and what needs to be done to buy your first home. Most of my clients end up telling me it was the wisest 30 minutes they've invested within the past year. Click on the button below and fill out your information, and I'll contact you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. As first-time homebuyers, I could not have asked for a better experience using Bill. He made the process simple for my wife and I and was dedicated to giving us the attention, information, and value we sought. He was always available and never difficult to reach. Bill was exactly what we needed to help guide us in buying our first home. Tyler and Kristen Carter, Houston, Texas. As a first-time homebuyer, I was very timid and anxious making my first major investment in a house. Bill Rapp was knowledgeable, honest, and reliable. He would lay out all the facts and speak in a language that I understood. He was always just a phone call away to answer all of my questions and set me at ease when I was unsure of the situation. Highly recommend. Ben and Caitlin French, Houston, Texas. I will definitely keep you in mind. If anyone I know needs financing, I will send them your way. John Salim, CRPC, Financial Advisor, Houston, Texas.